If I were you, I would save this hair. I would save this video. Because you can't afford to miss this. She's trying to make a ponytail from this short hair. Come on, this girl knows her onions. Please, guys, before we continue, make sure you're following this page, like and comment. Also, remember to share this video. Thank you. As you can see, she's using the product to flatten the hair. She's taking everything backwards. She's forming ponytail already. Now, let's see what she's gonna do on the front. In the front, she's using the, you see, she brought out this hair for her to use it for the baby hair. Can you see what she's doing? Come on, guys. Some people are genius when it comes to hairstyling. She's using the extension, the clip-on. Can you see that? Is it not looking beautiful? Please remember to share. Remember to follow this page.